Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Maps. To do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change the language settings on your Google Maps application, then tap open your Google Maps app from the app drawer. Once you do that, tap on your human icon located at the top right hand corner or your profile icon located at the upper right hand corner, and in the expanded menu, select Settings. Right at the top in the Settings menu, you'll be able to see an option that says App Language. Give it a tap and select a language that you'd like to change to from the suggested category or from the all category. There are multiple languages you can select from in this app language page. Select the language of your preference and give it a tap. Click on OK in the pop-up to change your language. And that way you can easily change your language for your Google Maps application. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.